Managing multiple companies shouldn't mean juggling endless logins, spreadsheets, or reports. Hi, I'm Marianne Salter with Minding My Books, your QuickBooks Success Partner. This is the first video in our Intuit Enterprise Suite Series, 7 Reasons Why IES is the Right Fit for Your Business. If you find our videos helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. If your business manages multiple entities, you know how time-consuming it can be to consolidate data, manage permissions, and keep reporting accurate. In this video, I'll show you how Intuit Enterprise Suite's multiple company management brings everything together in one intelligent platform, so you can save time, stay organized, and make faster business decisions. Before we dive in, if you're already thinking, I need this in my business, go ahead and book your complimentary Intuit Enterprise Suite Discovery Call using the link below. I'll help you review your current setup and see whether IES is the right fit for your growth. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, you can manage every entity in your organization from a single unified dashboard. Whether you oversee 2 companies or 20, you'll be able to switch between entities instantly, consolidate reporting in seconds, and gain complete visibility across income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, all without logging out or opening multiple files. At the top of your dashboard, you'll notice a simple toggle that lets you move from one entity to another instantly. Now there's no more logging in and out like QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Enterprise. Think of how much time that will save you. Also, you can now manage all users from a single centralized location. From the cogs icon, choose Manage Users. Simply select the company you'd like to manage, view, or update its user list. Here, you can add or manage new users, customize or add roles, along with invite accounting firms to your company. You get the granularity of QuickBooks Enterprise roles with the look of QuickBooks Online. To add a user, you enter their name and email. You can choose which companies each user belongs to and assign the roles accordingly. For example, someone might be an administrator in one entity while serving as a sales manager in another. For any QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Enterprise user, this saves you time from logging out and into another company file to set up the same user. It also makes it easy for any changes to current users as well. What a time saver! When it comes to user permissions, you have a wide range of predefined roles ready to use right away. You can also edit or create new custom roles, giving you total control over what each user can and can't access. This granularity reminds you of QuickBooks Enterprise. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, managing multiple entities and user access has never been this seamless or this powerful. If you are managing multiple companies and switching back and forth between QuickBooks files every day, this feature alone could save you hours every week. If you would want to see how this would work with your entities, schedule your free discovery call with the link that is in the description. Inside the multi-entity dashboard, you'll find consolidated reporting at your fingertips. Right away, you'll see a high-level view of your business across all entities, income, expenses, profit and loss, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. You can toggle specific entities on or off, and the dashboard updates instantly. Each widget acts as a shortcut to deeper insights. For instance, the expense widget visually breaks down your expenses by the date that you choose. Do you need the full picture? Click into the detailed report to view all your entities side by side. Customize your report to your specifications and click any account to drill into the exact transactions behind it. Since my company is for demo purposes only, it's not showing any insights. In your file, Intuit uses AI to notify you of any areas they think might need to be looked at. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now let's take a look at all of the consolidated reports that are available to you. This includes accounts payable, accounts receivable, balance sheet, sales, profit and loss, cash flow statement, transactions, trial balance, and expenses by vendor. Gone are the days of opening each company file one by one to get the same information that is displayed on the dashboard. QuickBooks Enterprise does a decent job of consolidating company information, but they don't display a dashboard to make it seamless like Intuit Enterprise Suite. QuickBooks Online Advanced has Spreadsheet Sync, but it also doesn't have a consolidated dashboard. There are also a lot of steps to get the actual reporting. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, you have one powerful view of your entire organization, fast, visual, and all in one place. Now let's take a look at intercompany transactions. And if intercompany allocations or consolidations are something you struggle with, that's exactly what we help businesses with every day. Book a discovery call below and we'll walk through your structure together. Within the Multi-Company tab, click on Intercompany Transactions. Intuit Enterprise Suite includes a multi-entity feature you can use to manage and consolidate your financial data for all of your related companies. You can automatically eliminate intercompany accounts, create intercompany journal entries, and run consolidated multi-entity reports to get a clear picture of your overall financial health. I'll bring up an intercompany expense allocation. The source company is Keystone Construction, which is the parent company. We credited the insurance account $1,500 and debited their intercompany account $1,500. We debited Keystone Terra, the child company, $1,500 and credited their intercompany account $1,500. You can add a memo and attach documents while preparing consolidated financial statements for your companies. You may need to remove some accounts to avoid double counting. This is what manual eliminations are used for. Typically, these type of accounts are eliminated in the consolidation process. intercompany revenue and expense accounts, intercompany receivables and payables, intercompany investments and equity accounts. Always consult with your accountant or refer to relevant accounting standards for guidance on which accounts should be eliminated in your specific case. Because every intercompany allocation account is pre-mapped during setup, the software knows exactly where each value belongs, keeping your books balanced across every entity. I think you can see how much more insightful your reports are with this feature doing a lot of the work behind the scenes, so you don't have to. Intuit Enterprise Suite is so much more powerful with consolidated reporting than both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Enterprise. If you want a personalized walkthrough of how these dashboards and reports would look for your organization, grab a spot on my calendar using the link below. And that's how Intuit Enterprise Suite makes multi-company management simple, smart, and scalable. If you'd like to see how this could work for your business, if you haven't heard it enough, schedule your complimentary discovery call using the link below. Together, we'll review your setup and explore whether Intuit Enterprise Suite is the right fit for your growth. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video in this series where we'll dive into dimensions and show you how to track your data with more detail and insight than ever before. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos.